this house?
They look old. They're pretty. Big windows. Look at this black girl. She's parked really like this in the middle of the street.
In the middle of snow. They have like a lot of houses hiding it.
Small houses are cute.
Really bad.
Huh?
It's really bad already. Look, you cannot even see it.
And it's still coming down. You know, and plus, see how tough it is. Do you have any idea where you are?
This is, I don't know. Is the back of the house?
Yup.
Where?
Not even close. You're like 10 minutes away from the house. The no frills.
Oh, you turn on the honest.
See where we're coming from?
Yeah, you drive more far.
No, not more far. We came from that way, so this guy took us just.
Shorter. Kids gonna love to play outside.
Yeah, too bad I'm working. I would love to take the no Marco.
I stand back up.
They always showed no interest.
Because when they're kids, we never go out. We don't bring them like throwing them in the snow. You always said, it's cold outside. Now they don't want to go anymore. Oh my God, I'm dizzy again. How much more in driving the highway now? Look how many snow she's shoveling now. Shovel later.
No, she's doing it now because later on it's gonna be very heavy. I'm probably gonna do it quickly too because when we come home tonight,
It's gonna be hot.
it's gonna be like a meter. I'm gonna eat quickly and don't have to rush. We got a whole night to complete it by tomorrow. Doesn't matter.
What time is Bello coming?
Tomorrow morning. The guy still didn't cancel, so I guess the guy is coming. He sent $50 too, so it's good.
$50 for deposit.
Mm-hmm.
Lucas' a sports car. They put it outside.
Probably like you and I. It's got a whole bunch of junk in there. Because you cannot even drive it now. Look how many of them there lives here. These are
look at
rentals.
this.
That's why it's rental. They got a bunch of junk in it.
No.
See, 1, 2 on the driveway,
Yeah.
and it's gonna be like 1, 2.
Maybe there's more inside too. Whoever the renter first.
Yeah, I've been reading about these people. They say that some owners have real problems. Like you see people that live next to,
Yeah.
they have a lot of problems with them, these renters, because of the parking and
They even said they destroy their house
throwing the garbage. And
because they doesn't care, especially now it's a lot of student coming. I don't think they're cleaning. There's one student too.